Hey, it's me, D. Ross. That's right, Dwayne Ross, author of the book No More Crumbs from the Table, where I help you discover your tag, your talent, your ability, your gift, and put it to work in the earth. I'm also the CEO of Passion to Profits TV. If you haven't seen it, I want to invite you as a first-time author to get on my show and tell people about your story. That's right. You see, it's all about writing your own story. I tell people all the time, every single human being has at least 10 to 20 stories on the inside of them, things they've gone through, things they've made it through, and how they went to the other side. Maybe you are really good at something. Whatever it is, somebody needs to know it, and you could be the one that writes that story and helps them do it. No, maybe it's a children's book. I'm not sure, but Amanda, she had a children's book on the inside of her, but when she came to class, she was talking about writing a novel, but the children's book was the best first book to come out. Okay, this other lady that came into my course and she's taken it, and now she's manifested her book, Terry Hines, How to Pray. The alarm is sounding. Awesome book on prayer. Another group, two people, this was Desiree and Michael, they had a story about overcoming abuse. And how do you, as a young person whose parent is abusing you, whose boyfriend is abusing you, how do you overcome that as a young lady in college, now trying to figure out what life to have? Well, she talks about this person through a third person. It's pretty awesome. Almost Not Born. And of course, I'm the author of the book, No More Crumbs from the Table. So it's all about you discovering what's on the inside of you. So what am I going to be talking about? I'm going to talk about how you get that story out. How do you craft that story a little bit better and get those emotions, get that ethereal connection to the story. I've heard people, they started writing and it's like something's missing, and I talk to them, and the next thing you know, we have a little power going on, and that story gets tears running, that story gets chill bumps, that story gets people excited about whatever it is. I'm excited to be part of this team, and we're bringing the workshop to you. Now it's virtual. Anybody, everybody can go. So send this out to all your friends, family members, people you know who have always said this, that story should be a book. Have you heard that? That's why I created Write Your Story course, self-publishing, because I help you take it from A to B, the self-publishing process. And we're going to be talking about that as a few people, but all together, I have had coaching one-on-one to help people get unstuck. I help you go through a 7-day process of writing, and how you get that writing process going where you'll start seeing your stories just come alive. So I'm looking forward to meeting you at the workshop. I know it's going to be fun, it's going to be engaging, but it's also going to be very informational. So get your pen and pad ready, get your journals wherever you have them, because there's probably stories all inside your journal. I have taken people's journals and helped them actually craft out stories from there. So I'm looking forward to it. If you have a new story and you've already published and you're looking for a place, you also might want to be one of my guests on the Passion to Profits TV show, because that's where I bring authors to talk about their experience and their journey. All right? The journey is yours. The story is yours. But the story is not just for you. It's for helping other people. So write your own story and let's make that happen. Dwayne Ross, DwayneRoss.com. You can go get a 30-minute consultation also. So just think about that. But come on down to the workshop. Enjoy yourself. Get you some good information. And then get out there and get your story out into the world. All right. We'll see you at the workshop. Take it easy, you guys. See you on the next page, the next post, the next YouTube video, the next live. But we definitely want to see you at the workshop.